from Başakşehir, Istanbul, Turkey. I have in this gorgeous property 1 bedroom right away to 5 bedroom properties with a little bit of down payment at 30% of the apartment value as a down payment, and the rest will be divided into 35 months installment. The delivery will be after 1.5 years, means it's an ideal investment opportunity. The property is beside the biggest hospital in Istanbul, Başakşehir, Şehir. Price of the property is being increased in this area, and still there are a lot of demand on Başakşehir as it is a family concept area in general. If you have been in Başakşehir before, you know what I am talking about. Today's project is a 65,000 square meter at the total land of the property with the 700 apartment, delivery 1.5 years later on. It's eligible for families, eligible for investment. If you are interested to get a very good opportunity in Istanbul, Başakşehir, my today's property is the perfect for investment and families. If you want to get more information about this property and my next opportunities, don't be hesitated to reach me out by the WhatsApp number on the screen. That was Mustafa, a property consultant in Istanbul for the last 10 years.